Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another day of this required advent calendar. Today is day 20. I'm down to just packages pretty much. Yeah. So I actually already opened this portion of it because I thought my camera was turned on and it wasn't. So anyway, here is what we are going to get for day 20. I know I'm late in putting this up. Okay, so we have some pretty blue hearts. I can't tell if those are, they're kind of, maybe they're leather. I'm not really sure. That's cool. And then I've got some stickers. Those will be fun to use. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pause, print out a photo, and create something. I'm very late in getting this one up today because life has just gotten in the way, you know, holidays. Okay, so I have cut down a piece of 12 by 12 paper from close to my heart. So it's an older paper, and I think it's close to my heart. Oh my goodness. Pretty sure. Anyway, I've cut that down to 8.5, well, 8 1/4 by 11 or 10 3/4. So a little bit smaller. I actually don't use the quarter measurement. I believe this, it's like 3 centimeters or something like that. Anyway, and I also went to my silhouette machine and I die cut out this title, Ice Cream Truck. And yes, there's no ice cream truck in the photo. It is my little guy with an ice cream, but he was super proud of himself that day. And if you could see the smile on his face and his eyes all super happy, and there's just a twinkle in his eyes, that he called the ice cream truck. Well, he didn't call him. He stopped the ice cream truck all by himself. I was out there, and his mom came running when she heard the ice cream truck, but he was the only kid at home, and so he got to stop it himself rather than one of his sisters doing it. So he was super, super excited that that's actually what he said. I called the ice cream truck and he stopped. And so yeah, he's super excited. So I'm going to handwrite in the words I called the, because that's what he said. And then the rest of it is the title here. And I just used the offset feature and some black cardstock. And then I did ink up my background paper with some black Soot Distress ink just to keep on with that black look, but I didn't do any of my fussy cut pieces in black. I don't know. I just felt like they didn't need the black, and I wanted the outline of the fussy cut pieces, the actual printed outline, to show more. And so I'm just hand cutting all of these. These are a really old My Mind's Eye paper, and I'm liking how that's looking. I basically went to my papers and I looked for something that had the same color of that turquoise that the hearts are made out of. And that led me to this piece of paper, which has the yellow in it, which led me to using the yellow because, well, also his shirt is yellow. So I think that's fantastic. I actually did try cutting the words on this yellow paper that I'm backing the photos with, but it's really thin paper and my machine just was not having it. Especially with the font that I was using. I actually switched fonts because of it. I didn't make you sit through all of that, figuring all of that out. But I went with a simpler font, but I wanted it to be a little bit kind of, I'll say childish, but because, you know, it's basically a quote that he said. So that's what I was going for. So I'm liking how this is looking. I am placing these strategically so that they kind of show behind the title as well. And it just kind of gives a lot of flow and movement to the layout. And then I'm going to put my title down, and then I'm going to use those hearts and a label. And that is it, you guys. There is not going to be any other embellishing on this. So basically it is just paper, including, you know, the patterned paper that I fussy cut everything. And then these beautiful hearts from MK. I did not use the stickers today. I didn't feel like it, I don't know, this layout particularly did not need the stickers, and I'm going to save those for a different day. I am going to pull in a yellow label instead of this turquoise label just because I've got more yellow that needed to be brought down below the photo since I've got that yellow pinwheel type deal up at the top. I am super happy with the way this came out, and it's super simple. I do have another layout in mind to go on the reverse side because I don't normally work in 8.5 by 11, but tomorrow is Stretch the Sketch, so I have a layout in mind. I don't know what the item is that I'm getting in the advent, so I'm kind of taking a chance here, but I know what the sketch is for Stretch the Sketch, so I'm hoping that it can all work out and I can do a page that goes on the reverse of this page. And I think it came out really cute. And just trying to get my title lined up because I felt like it was a little tilty. And then here I'm just handwriting I called the, and I didn't really space this perfectly, so I'm going to draw a couple of arrows pointing to the ice cream truck title and leave it at that. And then I'm going to do a little journaling right below his photo. And I actually left this in for you today. I don't normally leave journaling in except for maybe a small bit, but since it is just a small bit, I'm leaving it in, and my video is short, so that all works, right? That is pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you have questions or comments, you can leave them down below. Thank you again for spending time with me, especially throughout the holidays, and I hope that you are having a wonderful holiday season. I'll be back again tomorrow with another one, so come back and check that out. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this one, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I really appreciate it. I will see you guys again tomorrow, and take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.